Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a construction site in Fortnite Creative. First, navigate to Creative Mode and choose a blank island template to give yourself a fresh canvas. Next, use the terrain editor to flatten a large area, about 100 by 100 meters, which will serve as the foundation for your construction zone. Remember to adjust your island settings to grant unlimited resources and instant building, making the creation process much smoother and faster for you. Now, let's get to the core of your construction site, the main structure. Begin by placing various building pieces like walls, floors, and roofs to form the skeleton of a multi-story building. Don't aim for perfection. Intentionally leave some sections looking unfinished or partially built. To enhance the realism, incorporate scaffolding around these incomplete areas, giving the impression of ongoing work. Consider using metal or brick materials for authenticity. With the main structure in place, it's time to bring your site to life with details and props. Dive into the prop gallery and search for construction-themed items. Strategically place barricades, traffic cones, and warning signs to define the work zone and enhance safety aesthetics. Don't forget to add essential construction vehicles such as forklifts, excavators, and dump trucks to give the impression of active work, making your site feel busy and authentic. For the final touches, let's focus on atmosphere. Head into the island settings to adjust the lighting and weather, perhaps opting for a slightly overcast sky or a dusty haze to truly capture the construction site vibe. Incorporate ambient sound effects, like the distant hum of machinery or the clang of metal, to immerse players. Finally, strategically place a few worker mannequins around the site, giving the impression of a bustling, active construction zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.